Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Andrea Eppolito and we're here today celebrating life, luxury, and above all else love. It is casual day in the office, but I could not wait to share with you this behind the scenes video, and it is so personal to me and it means so much because this is the first event that I have produced since the pandemic started. Now, events, gathering, being together, it looks different. It feels different. It has to. And the precautions that were taken in order to get to a place where we could create an experience for 50 people were extraordinary. We're talking things like testing, sanitizing, quarantining, temperature checks, masks, 118 degrees. It was an intense experience. And every single step we took, every last thing we did was so worth it, because when we opened up the doors, we had created this balloon, pink, pastel kind of sherbet Candyland space for my couple, Masa and Johnathan. Big Hank, he's one of the Raiders, and this will be the first Raiders baby being born here in Las Vegas. When those doors opened and people walked in, when they saw the balloons, when they saw how large the space was, when they heard the music and they smelled the food and they saw the flowers, this overwhelming sense of happiness, of joy, of excitement, of relief, the fact that this peace washed over everybody. Those are my feelings. I create them. I get to take ownership of the fact that for 1 minute, for one day, I gave these people something that they hadn't been able to experience in months. And that was just simply the opportunity to be together and to celebrate in a space that was beautiful, that was well thought out, and that most importantly was incredibly, incredibly safe. I give a huge amount of respect to all of the guests. Every single person that walked up to that door had a mask on. Every single person was willing to be temperature checked. Every single person sanitized their hands and the bags. We had a whole station set up, and then when they came in, they had 6,000 square feet of indoor space, an acre and a half of outdoor space. And they were able to be together, be socially distant, but it didn't feel less than. It didn't feel other for the sake of being other. It didn't feel like, well, this is just the best that we could do now. It felt right. It felt beautiful. And it felt like we had taken the time to think of everything, because we had. And just those 3 hours of being able to be together, to celebrate beautiful baby Melania, who will be coming soon, that meant the world to this mommy and daddy to be. It meant the world to the guest. And I was there with my GoPro capturing all of the behind the scenes. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you. The photos and the videos, the pro ones, will be out soon. But for now, I just wanted to kind of say, thank you for being on this journey with me. Thank you for being a part of this industry, of the community, and for giving me an opportunity to once again do the thing that I love most. Event planning, event design, wedding plannings, this isn't just a profession. It's a passion. It's not a career. It's a calling. And you don't realize how deeply you crave doing this until you have it taken away from you. Everyone says, you're more than your job. You're more than it is than what you do. And of course that's true. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a daughter, I'm a friend, I'm a whole bunch of other things. But at my core, at the very, very root of my existence, who am I? What do I do? I bend the universe to my will to give people the opportunity to have a perfect moment. And just doing that again, God, it felt so good. So I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes video. If you have any questions about how we sanitized, how we set up, how we made the determination of who would come in, where they would go, how they would move, please reach out and let me know. I'm actually super excited to talk about all this. It's been great fun, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and I will see you again next week when we will celebrate life, luxury, and above all else, love. Thanks, my friends. Bye.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you, I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you, I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control.